How to delete all cache files and junk files from your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear all your junk and cache of storage from your storage device. So let us get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to System, and on your system you will see an option called Storage. Head over to Storage. Now under storage, you will see how much your local disk is being used by what category. You will see right here: installed apps, your documents, desktop, temporary files, and so much more. So what you'll need to do here is head over to temporary files, and on your temporary files, remove each and every one of your temporary files. What this will do is this will remove all the unnecessary files on your device. So after you do that, you can free up a lot of space. And after doing that, you can head back, and after you do so, you can scroll down. You will see storage sense. Now here you will see automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. If you do this, you will be able to save up a lot of space as well. And yeah, this will also clear up a lot of your cache and your unnecessary files. So yeah, that is basically how you can do so. You can even head over to your cleanup recommendations and clear up all your recommended storage. Head over to advanced storage settings and you will see different options as well. You can explore some of these, but the main points are removing your temporary files and then turning on storage sense. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.